This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Paula Shaheen. If you enjoy an abundance of natural light and an open airy floor plan, this home is for you. Located in the sought-after community of Laurel Lakes, it offers the perfect combination of space, modern style, and convenience. The appealing layout of this 4-bedroom and 3 full bathroom residence includes a double split floor plan ideal for families and guests. The upgraded gourmet kitchen is a chef's dream, featuring high-end appliances, a 6-burner professional-grade natural gas range, and a stunning island. The elegant living areas boast newer luxury vinyl flooring and baseboards, soaring ceilings, and updated finishes. The oversized primary bedroom includes his and hers closets, one with new built-ins, and a sitting area with access to the patio. The private 4th bedroom with a cabana bath provides a serene retreat with direct access to the back patio and is ideal for an in-law suite. Outside, enjoy your own oasis with an expansive swimming pool and spa, and 2 separate covered patio areas perfect for relaxation and entertaining. The 3-car garage offers ample space with storage cabinets, a workstation, and attic. A newer flat tile roof from April 2023 gives peace of mind for years to come. Laurel Lakes is an active, vibrant community offering tennis, pickleball, basketball courts, a clubhouse, and a fitness center. Residents enjoy serene walks around the neighborhood's picturesque lakes, birdwatching and kayaking, all while being conveniently located near downtown Sarasota, UTC Mall, beaches, fine dining, and more. With a low HOA and no CDD fees, this home offers incredible value in an unbeatable location. For more information, review the details below or contact Paula Shaheen at 941-225-7355.